Myself Mukund, I am the faculty of Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Today we will study about the pair of the linear equation of two variables. Today we will explain about the pair of linear equation in two variables. Today we will teach you the different method of the how can you solve the different way to the pair of two linear equation. Yes. Equation means the algebraic expression which have the two part, one is the LHS, second one is the RHS. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. That is the LHS. That is the RHS. That means this is the equation. That means it have the two part. That means left side is known as LHS and right side is known as the RHS. That means this, the value of this is equal to the 5. Value of 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 5, or 5 is equal to the 2x plus 3y. This is known as the equation. Now we have to know about the what we mean by the linear equation. The equation which have the variable. That means in this equation there are two variables and the maximum power of this variable is the 1. Maximum power of this variable is the 1. That means you are able to see in this equation the maximum power of the x is the 1 and the maximum power of the y is 1. So in the linear equation the maximum power of the variable will be always 1. So this type of equation is known as the linear equation, but it have this equation have contained the two variables. One is the x, another one is the y. Due to that, this equation is known as the two variable linear equation. That's clear? Yeah. Example, we are going to write a equation which have the two variable and which is also the linear. That means the form of the linear equation will be always in the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Either a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. That is both is the form of general formula, or you can say that the form of the linear equation. Here in this chapter we have to study about the one pair of the linear equation. That means if a1x b1y plus c1 is the one linear equation, then we have to take another linear equation. That means a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. That is the another linear equation which have two variables. Yes. Now, as you know that in the previous class also you have studied about the variable. Here in equation number 1, here x is the variable and a1 is the coefficient of x and y is the variable and b1 is the coefficient of b1 is also the coefficient of y and c1 is the constant term. That means in this equation a1, b1 and c1 is the constant term. That means numerical value may be, and a1, a2, b2 and c2 all three are the constant term, and here x and y is the variable. Now from this equation 1 and 2 we have to know the value of a1. Here a1, b1 and c1 and a2, b2 and c2. That means we have to write the value of the a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. That is only for the general formula of the two pair of the linear equation, but it will be, for example, in the form of 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. That is one equation, and 3x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. That is another linear equation. Now we have to solve this linear equation by the different way. Today we will study how can we solve these both linear equation and how can we find out the value of x and y by the different method. We can solve this linear equation at first by the substitution method. That means we have to find out in one equation, we have to find out the value of x, then we have to put the value of x in the another equation. By the way, we can solve the value of x and y. We can solve the equation for value of x and y. Let's see how can we solve the few pair of the linear equation and how can we get the value of x and y. Here 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. From equation 1, we have already the equation 2x plus 3y plus 5. Now, from equation 1, that means 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 3y. Minus 5 minus 3y. Here x is equal to minus 5 plus 3y upon 2. That is the equation number 3rd. Now put the value of x in equation 2 from equation 3rd. So 3 into minus 5 plus 3y by 2 minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Here we have to multiply the 3 with the 5. That means minus 5 3 is 15 and 3 3 is plus into plus 3 3 is 9y by 2 minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now minus 15 minus 9y minus 4y plus 14 by 2 is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. From equation 1, we have already the equation 2x plus 3y plus 5. Now from equation 1, that means 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 3y. Minus 5 minus 3y. Here x is equal to minus 5 plus 3y upon 2. That is the equation number 3rd. Now put the value of x in equation 2 from equation 3rd. So 3 into minus 5 plus 3y by 2 minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Here we have to multiply the 3 with the 5. That means minus 5 3 is 15 and 3 3 is plus into plus 3 3 is 9y by 2 minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now minus 15 minus 9y minus 4y plus 14 by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 15 minus 13y plus 14 is equal to 0. 0 into 2, that is equal to also 0. That means minus 15 plus, that means minus 1 minus 13y is equal to 0. Minus 13y is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 minus 13y equal to 1. Y equal to minus 1 by 13. That is the value of y. Now you can put the value of y in equation 2 or 3, 1, 2 or 3, then you will get value of y. Do it yourself. Chapter we have to also know how can we draw the graph by the different value of the x and y, because in this chapter we have the one pair of the linear equation. By solving the linear equation of one pair, that means we have to show that the value of x and y for both equation on the graph paper. So let's see how can we solve the equation and how can we find out the value of x and y and how can we draw on the graph paper. For example, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. That is equation number 1. And x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Now we have to solve the equation 1 and 2 and we have to find out the value of x and y. Then after we have to show that coordinate on the graph paper. That means from equation 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So 2x equal to 5 minus 3y. So x is equal to 5 minus 3y by 2. That is the equation number 3. Now we have to take the different value of the y. That means we can take anything, that means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, like that. And we have to put that value in the equation number 3 and then we will get the value of x. That means we are going to say that we have to take the different value of the y and then we will get the different value of the x. So let's do it. Take at y equal to 0. Then put different values of y in equation 3. That means at y equal to 0, then x is equal to 5 minus 3 into 0 by 2. That means x is equal to 5 minus 0 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5 or to 1 by 2. Now like that we have to draw a table and we have to write the different value of the x and y. That is the x, that is the y. We have to put the different value of the x and y. Here we have to put y equal to 0. Then we have got the value of x is 2.5. Again we have to put the different value of the y in the same equation number 3. Then you will get the different value of the x. And x is equal y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 5 minus 3 into 1 by 2. That is equal to x is equal to 5 minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. Then so x is equal to 1. That means y is 1. Then x is 1. Like that we have to put the different value of the y in this equation number 3. Then you will get the different value of the x. Like this way we have to find out the 3 or 4 value and we have to show on the graph. Let's see from the equation number 2. Now from the equation 2, that means x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2y equal to 3. 0 plus 3, x minus 2y is equal to 3, x equal to 3 plus 2y. That is equation number 4. This is the table A, this is the table B. That means put the different values of y in equation 4 and then you will get the value of x at y equal to 0, then x equal to 3 plus 2 into 0, that means x equal to 3 plus 0, x equal to 3. Here we have to y equal to 0, then x equal to 3. At y equal to 1, then x equal to 3 plus 2 into 1, that means x is equal to 3 plus 2, that means x is equal to 5. Here y equal to 1, then x equal to 5. Now we have to show that values of x and y in the graph. This is the x dash and y dash. As you know that this is the origin 0 0 0. The coordinate of this point is the 0 0. That means what here x is 0 and y is 0. So this is known as the origin, because the value of x is also 0 and value of y is also 0. So this point is known as the origin. From the right side, the horizontal line from the right side of the origin, that is the x, that will be the positive, and the left side from the origin of the horizontal line, that will be the negative minus, and the upper direction from the origin of upward direction, that is the y, that will be the positive always, and the lower direction, that will be the negative always. So we have to take one value, different value of x and y, 1 2 3 4, like that. Here also 1 2 3 4, here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, here also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, like that. Here we have to x equal to 2.5. Here the 2.5. Here it is the 2.5. It is the 2.5. Y equal to 0. If x is 2.5 and y equal to 0, then that point will lie on the x-axis, because this is 2.5, that is the positive, and y 0. If y will be 0, then x will be on the same axis, that means x-axis. So this point is known as the 2.5, and then we can write here the 2.5 comma 0. At first we have to write the value of x, then we have to write the value of y. The value of x is 2.5 and value of y is 0. So we are writing here 2.5 and 0. So this coordinate is known as the 2.5 and 0. Yes. Next one, x is 1 and y is 1. So This point is known as 1 1. Here x is 1 and y is 1. This point is known as the x is 1 and y is 1. This point is known as the 1 1. Now we have to join this line with the curve with the smooth hand. That is the equation of the 2x plus 3y equal to 5. This is the curve of the 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Another one. That means x is 3 and y is 0. X is 3 and y is 0. That means x is 3, y is 0. That coordinate will be also lie on the x-axis because here x is 3 and y is 0. So this point is known as the 3 0. At first, my dear students, we have to write the value of x, then we have to write the value of y. So we are first writing the value of x, that is the 3, and value of y, that is the 0. Another one, x is the 5 and y is the 1. X is 5. Here we are taking one more digit, that is the 5, y is the 1. That means this height. How can we mark the 5 and 1? At first we have to go through the x-axis, that means horizontal line from the right side of the origin, that is the 5, and height will be the 1 from the origin to the upper direction, that means this is the 1. That means we have to here distance, total distance from the origin is the 5 unit, and we have to take the height of the 1 unit. So this is this point of intersection, that means the line of the 1 and the 5, that will be the 5 1. This coordinate is known as the 5 1. Now we have to join this. We have to join this point, that means coordinate point, that means we will get the curve like that. This is the equation of x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, and this is the equation of the 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Or you can write here, or x minus 2y equal to 3. Both is the same. Both is same. Here you can also write this is also can we say the graph of the x is equal to 5 minus 3y by 2. This is also the graph of the x is equal to 5 minus 3y by 2. This is our graph. By this way we can able to find out the different value of the x and y from the both equation. Then after we have to put that value on the graph paper, and we have to join that coordinate point with the smooth hand, then you will get the graph like that. Now in this chapter we will study how many solutions of that two variable linear equation. If you know that if there is a one point of intersection, then there is only one solution of the equation. If there will be the only one point of intersection where two curves is going to intersect each other, that is this point. At this point both curves is going to intersect each other, that is the Q, capital Q. So this point will be the common solution for the both equation. This point Q, that means whatever the coordinate will be of the point Q, this coordinate will be the solution of that one pair of the linear equation. Okay. Now we have to go through the exercise 3.1. That means student, please read carefully the question number 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be the 3 times as old as you will be. Is intersecting represent the situation algebraically and the graphically. That means we have to, at first, my dear students, we have to make the equation of that word problem. After that, we have to solve that equation and we have to show with the graph. And we have also checked that the equation of this linear pair will be intersecting or not. So first, how can you make the equation? Aftab tells his daughter, that means 7 years ago. Here two persons is there, Aftab and his daughter. So we have to assume the age of the Aftab. Let's exercise 3.1. P age of Aftab is X year, and P means P estate age for the present. P age of his daughter is Y year. Now Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Ago means पहले. 7 years ago means 7 years पहले, 7 साल पहले. तो 7 साल पहले क्या हो जाएगा ये? Now 7 years ago age of Aftab will be x minus 7, and 7 years ago age of his daughter will be y minus 7. That is the statement. Now we have to start to make the equation. 7 times as old you were then. That means Aftab tells his daughter. That means Aftab is 7 times more older than his daughter. So we have to write the equation according to question. X minus 7, that is equal to 7 into y minus 7. That means we have to multiply 7 with the y minus 7. That means the age of his daughter above the 7 year. Because if you will multiply the 7 to the Aftab, then Aftab will be 49 times more older. Due to that, if we are putting the sign of equality, that means this will be equal to this, because Aftab is 7 times more older than his daughter. Then the age, in which condition the age of his daughter and his age will be equal. That means if we will multiply 7 to the age of his daughter, then LHS and RHS will be equal. So we are multiplying the 7 with the y minus 7. So now let's solve the equation. That means x minus 7, that is equal to 7y minus 49. X minus 7y equal to minus 49 or plus 7. That is x minus 7y minus equal to minus 42. Either that is one equation. Either we can write x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. That is equation number first. Now we have the equation x minus 7y plus 42. That is the linear equation of the two variable, here x the variable, y the variable, 42 is the constant term. In this equation there are two variables, x and y. 42 is the constant term. So this is the linear equation x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. That means one equation is completed. Now another statement we have to read carefully the another statement. Also 3 years from now. What do you mean by 3 years from now? 3 years from now means the present age. Present age के 3 साल बाद. तो अभी Aftab का एज 3 x ईयर है, तो 3 साल के बाद उसका एज क्या हो जाएगा x plus 3, और उसकी लड़की का एज क्या है y है, तो 3 साल के बाद उसकी लड़की का एज क्या हो जाएगा y plus 3. According to the second statement, directly my dear we are writing the equation according to the question. In the example you can also write this way, that means a oblique q, that means according to the question. 3 years age of Aftab from 3 years now will be x plus 3 and age of his daughter from 3 years now will be y plus 3. Now we have to make the another equation. How many times? 3 times as old as you will be. Now according to the second statement, Aftab is telling to his daughter, Aftab will be 3 times more older than his daughter. So we are writing the equation like this way: x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3. That means x plus 3 implies equal to 3y plus 9. Now x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. That is another equation. Now we have to the two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we have to solve this equation and we have to find out the different value of the x and y, and then we have to show on the graph. In the next class we will discuss what is the way by which you can able to identify the how many types of the solution of the given equation, that means the unique solution or the many solution or the no solution, that type of the solution, how many types of the solution of the given one pair of the linear equation we will teach in the next class.